Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with our stash crafting Christmas collab me and Tree are doing. This is a way of building up our stash for our Christmas cards, and so that way we are basically have a build of cards so that we can mail out when Christmas comes. And yes, so anyway, so we do apologize, we're a little late. It is all my fault. It is not Tree's fault. She had hers so totally ready, and me, I've had some other stuff going on, so I do apologize. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I have created. And I did use Martha Stewart's paper pads and scraps of Christmas papers that I had laying around. And then I also used a Stamps of Life die, and this, isn't he so cute? So I went ahead and put some ribbon right here. I still have to finish and complete it, but I usually, what I do, I don't do when I build my stuff, I don't complete it till towards the end. So I might put some Merry Christmas something stamp here somewhere. It just depends on the mood I'm in. And here is another one, and this is a completed version of him, and he does have a bell, and then he has some jolly right there. And this is the Martha Stewart paper, and here you go. And this one is a Christmas paper pad I had for years. I've been in my stash for years, so I went ahead and had a piece of it left and used it here. And here is the other one, and didn't do that many this time, but hopefully as I continue I will make more. And like I said, it is building our stash for our Christmas cards. And like I said, Tree is me and her are doing it, so I'll link her down in the description below, so you guys could go check her out if you guys don't know her. You guys, me and Tree, we usually do everything together. So anyways, thank you everybody so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. We should be having our birthday soon, so I do apologize. Thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.